Hi, good evening, everyone. So basically, I just received this Bosch C7 battery charger from Shopee yesterday, I guess. So I have no time to do the unboxing review, so I'll be doing it today. So at the same time, my Mazda 6 using a 12-volt battery, the battery has been drained off because my son has forgotten to off the internal light. So that's why I think it's because of the battery is quite weak as well. Strangely, it's just only 1 year old. So anyway, never mind. So I bought this one from Shopee as I recommended from some of the friends. So this is a Bosch C7 battery charger for 12 and also 24 volts. So it means that even for lorries that are using a bigger capacity of battery, you can still use this one to charge it. So you can either buy a smaller one for 12 volts one, then it's be slightly cheaper. So what I bought this one, I think if it's not mistaken, is about from Shopee is about 230 plus. I can't really remember. Yeah, I think that, but plus the shipping fees is, I think it's about 250. Yeah, 1 year warranty. So let's unbox and see what is inside there. So this box itself is it's very huge actually. It's very huge. And yeah, one set. This come from Bosch itself. So it's just for 12 volt for car, motorcycles, even for lorry itself, you can do the charging. So what you can see over here, there's MCU, there's this also a spark protection as well, so you won't see any sparkling, so it should be okay. It's safer. And there's also some adapter power supply, memory functions, and a lot more. So this is the first time I'm also reviewing this, so that's why I don't have much of the informations. But anyway, let's go through it together because I'm also interested and eager to know as well. So let's open it, yeah. Okay, let's open it and see what's inside there. So interesting. It's a very nice packaging, and I received in a good conditions from Shopee. So nowadays the delivery is really good. I didn't need to go out to buy it, especially during this MCO seasons in Malaysia that's happening now. So there's I think there's a lot of things inside there. Or is it stuck? Oh yeah, let's open it like this. Yeah, there's a lot of things inside and it's stuck. Never mind, let's open one by one. So I believe this is the booklet. It's so huge because there's a lot of functions over there. So I think it's good to go through one by one. Yeah, later on. Let's put it here. What is this? There's some sticker light, but I'm not sure what is it. Later I'll explore further. This is the wall brackets to mount this to your car porch there. So you can hang the car charger, the battery charger, to your wall. So see whether you want to do it or not. But it's made of plastic. It's made of plastic, so you can't mount it under the sun. So make sure it's covered. So car porch should be okay. So this should be the chargers, and this is the reason why it's stuck actually, I guess. Yes. Oh, successfully opens. Let's see how it goes, man. So it comes with the two clipper. The red color usually is positive. The black one usually is negative. So this is to hook up to your battery while charging. So this is the cables. This is the whole unit itself. It's actually, to be honest, it's quite heavy, man. So it's either you mount it on the wall or you need to put it somewhere while charging. Okay, let's see over here. So plastic, but it's solid, and I don't think you can have. It will be dust proof and waterproof as well, I believe, because you can't see any hole, any openings. So it's good. Yep. So C7 models come with steering, car Porsche, 12 and 24 lead acid battery charger. Yeah. Okay. So the cables come with this one. I believe this is the one. Oh, lucky this is not the China type or international type. This is from Malaysia. You can just plug it to the wall. It's quite long cables over here as well, you can see. And from there, this is the one that we need to hook up. So this is the one that you're going to hook up with this one. So you just need to hook up with a sound. I believe there's a clip. Okay, there's a clip sound over here. And this one itself is very simple actually. It's the black color and the red color. You know where it goes, right? So basically just open up this one. Yep. Oh, sorry. Open up this one. Just hook up the negative portions of it and just put it back and screw it back. As simple as that. Yeah, as simple as that. Nothing complicated. The black one is just go to the black one, the red one just go to the red one, like this. Yeah, like this. And then here goes the red color one. Same things, open up. It's careful, there's a small things there. Okay, same thing. Go in there and just hook it up. Sorry. Just hook it up. Yes, and it's done. And it's done. So it's very simple. You need to use plug in. These two plug into the car battery before you turn on. Once you turn on, this mode will reflect. So it auto detect if it's 12 volts or 24 volts. So from here, you can see that the car battery, if it's totally empty, you'll be starting from here blinking. Means this is basically 25% full, 50% full, 75% full, 100% full. So there's a cycle over here. Okay, there's a cycle over here. So that it will tell you that where are we now, the charging, and depend how drained off your car battery is. So if it's not really, then it will show maybe it's 50%. If it's not, then maybe it's 25% and 75%. Okay, so I just press and you can select the functions. So for AGM or this one, I will look into the book itself and I'll tell you shortly. Yep. As of now, this is everything that you can see over here, plus the mounting. And it's a very simple unit, but it's heavy and solid. Although it's made from plastic, but it's solid. Okay, I'll have a look on the book itself and I'll let you know what is inside there. Okay, so once you plug into the power itself, power source, then you can select whether it's 12 volt car battery or 24 volt lorry battery, which is huge, a bigger size one. So normally if you don't change anything, this will be a normal wet battery or a gel battery type. Or if it's a 12 volt but it's an AGM battery, then you can select, you just press the mode to select this one. Or if you are fully drained off your battery, there's some issues with your maybe quite some time didn't use the battery and it's totally drained off, then you can use this one to boost up. This will be speed up the charging itself. So, and this is the one that I'm not really sure, according to the book itself, is to keep intact the electronic devices for your car, or settings to make sure when you change the battery or you replace the battery, you can still continue to make sure the electronic devices the setting is still there. Okay, so you use this one. Or this is the one that normally when the clipper that you have, you clip to the wrong one, the positive clip to the negative and negative clip to the positive, and you show here. That's why it won't have sparkling, because it's already protected, and you can see over here. Same thing, if it's 24 volts, you can select the same thing over here over and over again. Yep, it's very simple to use. Later I will share again how do I do the charging for my Mazda 6, a 12-volt battery. Thank you. Okay, good morning everyone. So today I would like to basically charge my car battery using the Bosch C7 and see whether how it works. So for now, I think my battery has been drained off. I'm using a Mazda 6 Emerald battery, about 1 year plus, a 12-volt battery itself, not an AMG, it's a normal battery. And basically you see the light is here, the key light is here. I have the key, I press on the brake and I should be able to start it, but unfortunately, nope, it's not starting. So basically the battery has been drained off and I will try to charge it. Hopefully it works. Yeah, I'll show you the result shortly. Okay, now this is my Bosch C7 car battery charger that I just yesterday bought it. And what I have done is basically I attach this power battery, the cables to the power source. I have not turned it on. I have not turned it on yet, so it's okay. So from here itself, for the clipper itself, as what I mentioned earlier on, you need to clip to the positive sign first. Once you have clipped to the positive signs, then only you can clip the negative one. The negative is the black color, which is attached to the negative over here. So you need to make sure you properly attach it. Make sure it's secure and fully attached to it. So for positive sign, same things, a positive to positive. And once you see that it's properly attached, everything is good, everything is good, there's no water anywhere, and everything is okay, stables, then you can turn it on. Let's turn it on now. Once you turn it on, this will change. You turn on. From here is basically the blue color mode. Means it's now ready for you to select the mode that you want, either 12 volt, 24 volt. So by default, when you press, you detect what is the volt of your car battery. So you press one time, and it shows that it's only 5% full. So it's quite drained off. So from 25%, ratio will be 50, 75, and 100%. So this is what it's going to be. So let's wait to fully charge, and once fully charged, it will blink and we show that it's fully charged. My one is not an AGM battery, so I'm not selecting this one. I'm only selecting the normal battery, the wet and the gel form battery for car or 12 volt. So this is how it looks like. You blink. Once fully charged, your full cycles over here. So this is the battery that I'm using, Emerald battery. It's only 1 year old. This is the battery type. It's not an AMG, it's normal battery. Yep. Now what we do is we just need to wait. Hopefully, I'm not sure how long it takes for the full charge of this almost drained off battery. Hopefully it will be fast. Yeah. Let's see. I'll let you know shortly at the result and how long it takes. This is how it looks like. I've just started the car battery charging. Now it's almost 7:30 in the morning. So let's see how it goes and how long it takes to full charge. Now I think it's only about 25% of the battery life left. So I'm not sure how long it takes. It's almost drained off. So let's see how it goes and how long it takes. I'll share the results shortly. Okay, now it's 10 o'clock. It's almost 2.5 hours. So let's see where are we now. So you can see clearly here we are reaching almost full. 1, 2, 3 dots already. It's almost full. So once finished, fully completed, it will basically just only blink over here. The rest will be all off. So I think almost 3 hours. So we started off with 25%, took me 3 hours to reach this stage, but have not been fully completed. We need to wait until the line drop here only. As of now, it's not yet ready, so we continue to charge it. I'll provide an update shortly. So after almost 4 hours, 7:30 to 11:15, about 3 hours 45 minutes, it's actually now fully charged. Okay, now after 4 hours, the light is blinking over here. Just now the last round we checked, is the light is 3 light over here. Now the light is blinking. It means that it's already fully charged now. So after almost 4 hours, it's fully charged now. So I'm going to off it, I'm going to off the power and unplug it and retest whether it's startable or not. So now what this is what we see fully charged. I'll do the restart now. I will unplug it and do the restart. Okay. So look at the light over here. It's fully charged now. So I'm going to unplug it and try to start it. First off the power first. Once you after you off the power, you remember to take off the negative part first. Then you take out the positive. So okay, now let's try out after 4 hours of waiting. Okay, so after 4 hours of charging using the Bosch C7 battery charger, it's already fully charged. I just want to check. So now let's try to start it again. So I got the key, I press on the brake, I start with the key. Let's see. Yes! So basically it's chargeable. So I think it's good if you seldom drive your car. I think it's good to charge it every quarterly to make sure the battery is full. Like my one itself, I think it's because of MCO. I've been parking my car a while and seldom drive it, and add on my son forgot to off the inner light. So yeah, I think it's worth to have the Bosch C7 battery charger. Then worth it, worth to have and worth to keep it in the house. Thank you.